The new additional learning needs system in Wales. If you are a young person under 25 with additional learning needs, there are going to be changes in the way that you are supported at school and college. These changes have come as a result of the Additional Learning Needs and Education Tribunal Wales Act. Whether you need some support or you have more complex needs, changes from the Act will give you every opportunity to reach your full potential. The Act aims to identify those needs as early as possible so your school, college or education setting can put the right support in place to help you. You and your parents or carers will be given the opportunity to make decisions and have your say on how your learning can be best supported. The Act supports an inclusive education system to help you fully participate so that you can learn well and reach your potential. If you have a disability or a learning difficulty which requires additional learning provision, you will be identified as having additional learning needs. This means you will be supported by an Individual Development Plan, or IDP, which sets out in detail the support you need and your targets. If you or your parents or carers have any concerns about your education, there will be a clear process in place to help resolve them as early as possible and appeal decisions. Staff at schools and colleges in your area are being trained so they have the skills in place to make these changes happen. Every school and college will have an additional learning needs coordinator who will ensure additional learning provision is in place. The Early Years Additional Learning Needs Officer will coordinate provision for children under 5, and the Designated Education and Clinical Lead Officer will help ensure close collaboration between health services and education. All of these changes aim to ensure you have the right support to enable you to thrive.